Hello everyone and welcome back to website planning and creation modules. So continuing further from our last discussion, till now we have learned till what is button, and in this video of ours we'd be learning all about call to action, circular counter and codes. So let's start from the call to action. If we select the call to action button, then we'd be having an option appearing in front of us, that is the first thing which I am having is the title. The title symbolizes the action that we want the users to do, that is why he need to click on that button. So before proceeding further, let me tell you why this module can be used for. Call to action basically means any action that we want him to take, any certain specific kind of action that we want him to take. So before letting a user take any action, we want to tell him why he need to take that action. So in order to let a user know why he need to take the action, we need to specify the heading of the action. Like suppose I want him to download anything, or I want him to go to any certain specific page where he can get the rest of the details. So accordingly only we need to update everything to the user. So the title symbolizes the same. So like I'll write here sample title, and the button would be click here. I'll say click here to visit the so I want them to click there so that they can visit the Facebook page, right? So the user now knows that if I would be clicking on the button, where I would be going. So out here we just need to give the link. So as I asked him that we'll be going on Facebook, so or rather than Facebook, let's take Google. So we would be sending them to the Google page, and I want them to go to a new tab. Pretty fine. I want to make this text little bit bigger so that it looks filled, and that's done. So let's save and exit and preview. Now as you can see, a big section is appearing where a sample text is written and the body text that we have written, that is here. So this is the sample title and this is the button. So if I would be clicking on click here, I'd be getting redirected towards a new page, that is Google. So yes, in a new tab, Google opened. Now let's edit this thing. We'll go back to our page from where the editing was being done. So now as we would be taking 3 modules in this video, so let's break down into 3 columns. So in order to break down, let's click on this icon and choose 1 by 3. So you can see in one of the section now the call to action module is there. Now let's select another module, which is a circle counter. A circle counter is basically used to display certain statistics in a circular manner. So let's just write the title out here, like percentage of happy customer, and I'll say the percentage is almost like 89, and I don't want them to go anywhere, neither I want to give any background color. So save and exit, and let's have a preview. So earlier it was appearing like this, now it is appearing like this. You can see in the animated way the circle got completed till 89%. Let me refresh this page again so that you can notice it. So I hope you would have seen the background, it went from 0 to 89% in a circular manner. So this is the use of the circular counter. So in an animated way it shows the percentage graph, and it even shows the text out of it, like the percentage of happy customers that I've written. Now let's go back and add the third module, which is a code. This is a very interesting module. Like suppose I want to insert certain kind of code on my website. Let's take a code of an HTML marquee code. I want a small fish to swim here. So what I'll do, I'll just simply go to Google and I'll write fish swimming HTML marquee. Right, now I can see there are a lot of websites which have came where these results are present. So I'd be checking it from the first one. So yes, I can see out here there is a code and where there is a fish swimming. Now let's just take another code. If you wish to use this, then you just simply need to copy this code, or if you wish to use this one, just simply, so as I want to have a single fish, so I'll copy this code and I'll go back to my website code module and I'll simply paste the code out here. Save and exit and preview. So previously this both were appearing, now a fish should appear. Oh yeah, I can see the fish is appearing on my screen, right? So this is the use of all the three modules, that is the call to action module, the circular counter module and the code module. I hope these three modules are clear to you all, and you have even understood how you can utilize these three modules effectively in order to create a beautiful website of your own. Now let's continue this video, and in the next video of ours we will be learning the further modules in the Divi builder. Thank you and have a great day ahead.